What's up guys, this is Prabhashankar Khare and I welcome you all to my channel The PS Digitals. I know that I am bringing up this video after a very long time, but I promise you that from now on I will bring video into this channel consistently. So please show some love by liking this video and subscribe to this channel because I am going to start one video series from this video on how to design a website. Okay, how to do a website designing, and that too without any coding knowledge. So if you don't know coding or if you don't like coding, then this video series will be very helpful for you. And if you really want to learn how to design a website and that too without any coding knowledge, then please follow me along with this video series. And yes, the platform which we are going to use in this video series is called Wix. You might have heard about that. I just want to share some overview about Wix and why you should use this platform to design a website for yourself or for your business. So to showcase the overview of the Wix platform, I just want to share my screen with you. To open up Wix, you just need to go to Google, okay, and type Wix here and go to wix.com. Okay, so basically Wix is a drag and drop website builder with that you can easily drag and drop elements from here and there and your website is ready to use. Okay, you won't believe, but you can easily create a website in less than 5 minutes, which I am going to show you in my upcoming videos. Okay, in less than 5 minutes you can easily create a website which is ready to use and you can easily use it for yourself or for your business. Okay, and that too you can easily create on Wix. Okay, when I was searching for this platform, or when I was searching more about this platform, or I can say that when I explore this platform, I have found some good stats and figure which I really want to share with you. So there are some key 10 key Wix stats and facts. Okay, so basically Wix is the free and easy to use website builder which has started in 2006. Okay, Wix has started their business in the year 2006 and it went public in 2013, and Wix hit the 1 million user mark in the year 2019, and by 2014 it has crossed over 50 million. Wix market cap was estimated around $4.5 billion in the year 2017, and in the year 2019 Wix had more than 120 million users, where 4.2 million of which being premium user. Wix.com has had 61.65 million visit in the last 6 months, and I just want to mention one thing is that this is the updated data of 2021. Okay, this is last updated in the month of April 2021, which is currently running. Okay, so and over 22 million mobile sites use Wix. Okay, and Wix power over 6 lakh e-commerce store, which is really a huge number, and over 44,000 apps are downloaded daily from the Wix app market, and Wix.com is the most visited Wix based site with 61.65 million visit in the last 6 months, as we have discussed. Okay, so I just want to share some live searches too with you. So for that I just need to open Wix.com and just give me a minute. Okay, similar webs. Okay, so let me just refresh this and you can easily see. Okay, so as you can see that the monthly visit of Wix.com is 63.50 million. I will refresh it again to show you the live data. Okay, so that you can get some idea about Wix.com. Okay, so as you can see that 61.50 million monthly visit, and it is really a huge number. Okay, so I think that you have got your answer that why you should create a website in Wix, or why you should use this platform to create a website for yourself or for your business. Okay, so this is the platform which we are going to use in this video series, guys. So if you know this platform, then this will be great. Then you can easily understand each and everything which I'm going to share with you. You just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist, I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. And if you know this platform, then also please follow this video series, because you might learn something new, okay, in each day. And if you don't know this platform, then please don't worry. I will tell you each and everything, that how to create from scratch and how to use the template, how to use each and everything on the interface, which I will show you in my upcoming videos. So if you have found this video valuable, then please like it, comment if you have any thoughts, and please share this video with your friends so that they get to know about it. And please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications of the video which I am going to upload. So we will meet on the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much.